How to make a capital G. And this is actually very personal to me because my name is Gregg with two G's at the end, so it's three G's, so I'm going to try to do my best on this one. Now with the G, you can make it two ways. You can make it without any twist, just bends. We'll start like this. Okay, we want the top part. Yeah. Okay, so I shaped it like that. Then let's say down here is where we want it to start going over like that. You know what I'm talking about. But don't twist it. I mean, for this example, I'm not going to twist it. I'm just going to bend it. And then comes over here and bend that. So we got like that. And then it goes in like that, right? So bend it like that. Running out of balloon. Okay. So you get the idea, right? And if I put a little bit more air in, it would be behaving a little bit more. But there's your basic G. So you can work with that and get these better. But the other way you do it is you just put pinch twists here at these three places, 1, 2, and 3, and that will define it more. Let's put one here first. And then we'll put one up here. Okay, see, that defines it a lot better. And I didn't even put one there. I think it looks better without putting one there. Okay, so there is your uppercase G. Now we'll do a lowercase g, and the lowercase g is very similar to a D or a P or a B. But the long part will be even longer and a little more flexible because it's got to not just go straight, it's got to curve like that or like that. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so this is going to be the long part, and I want that to be kind of stretchy. So I'm going to squeeze some air out. Okay, now we'll do maybe even up here. This and this part like we did for the D and B. So it's going to be like that. Okay, twist that together. Make a pinch twist back here. I'm going to pop that part off. And, ooh, it's going to be a small pinch twist. There's not much left, not much air left in that bubble. I should have given myself more room to tie that. Okay, but that's good enough. It's going to be actually hard to make a pinch twist, but no, we did it. Okay, and now this part will come up like that. So squeeze air out, let it come back in. There we go. Beautiful. Amazing. And the upper and lowercase g. Thank you very much. Next is H.